Good morning, guys. It actually isn't morning though, so I lied. It's actually 1:52 in the afternoon, but it's morning for me because I'm officially getting out of the bed. I haven't eaten breakfast or anything yet, but I'm going to. It's Sunday, so that means it's cleaning day. I'm going to do some laundry because can you turn that down a little bit? Damn. Laundry. Who are you talking to? My camera. So yeah, we've been here for like 2 weeks now, and my laundry hamper is full to the brim, so it's about that time to get the laundry popping. So right now what I'm pretty much doing is I'm just sorting out my laundry like into whites, lights, and darks. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing. Might be like, my camera quality looks like really good right now. I don't know, like it looks like real HD, like I'm moving like blowy. It don't normally look like that. Or maybe it's the lighting. Maybe I like the lighting here. It's probably what it is.
Hey, she's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Happy.
Girls is at Target. Say hey to the vlog, Maya. This is so cute. We should get some pumpkins. No, I'm talking about we should get some pumpkins. What do we need pumpkins for? We somehow ended up at Target. I wasn't planning on coming to Target today, but she wanted me to come with her to Target, and Rumi wants me, and I come. When I can, I try. I needed some graphic tees. I'm coming. Polo. She gonna come in here to pick up groceries, and then she's still gonna eat out every day. It's no point. That she never eats what's in her room. So what's the point of you wasting money on groceries? You have food in the dorm. What? Some noodles? Yeah. I'm supposed to eat noodles every day. Yeah. You thought I was feeling you? That much. Eat it for lunch. Push my belly. I get what I want.
It's overboard now. I want you to
Yeah, I'm in a cart. She's pushing me. Because I'm a princess. I love cereal, but I can only eat cereal if I have ice in it. I like ice so much. It keeps the milk cold. Stop looking at me like that. I'm concerned. That's different. It keeps your milk cold, you know? You don't like I hate soggy cereal, right? So I get...
Research shows listeners don't like it when ads interrupt their music.
I don't. How could they know? No.
Over my clips, I'm writing down names, I'm making a list, I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit. The game is off balance, I'm back on my. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it. You all on my I'm all in my bag, as hard as it get. I do not harder, I might take a sip, I might hit the but I'm liable to trip. I ain't popping no pill, what you do is you wish. I roll with some fiends, I love them to death. I got a few mil, but not all of them rich. What good is the bread if my niggas is broke? What good is first class if my niggas can't sit? That's my next mission, that's why I can't quit. Just like LeBron, get my niggas more tips. Just put the rollie right back on my wrist.
Cute. Nyla, come look. Damn, so cute.
Everything grows, it's destined to change. I love you, little niggas. I'm glad that you came.